He was a said, Pimentna. Meanwhile, me a soften mesement now. Possessor what the offering be back. Meanwhile, me a soften no. Wake up! Even in the Garden of Eden, there were 4 streams. 4 streams, 4 rivers that watered the garden. The Bible calls the first one Piston, which is a water of gold. 4 streams. Garden of Eden crowd of 4 streams. Or 1 stream. Garden of Eden crowd of 4. There was a river that flowed and watered the garden. 4. And it had 4 heads. 4 heads. A river flowed and watered the garden. It had 4 heads. 4 heads. So that we can properly take care of our parents, properly take care of our mothers, fathers, properly honor our spiritual parents. Like my father, Reverend Steve Mensa, Reverend Stanley, I can properly honor them and properly honor people like Mama Christy. Go if I sign 1 check as an imami adile, yeah, big. Meanwhile, me say I am not waiting. I will ferry us out them pabuajina kwa hunye serious. Men am catching. The church is too polluted with begging. Stop it and wake up. Stop it. Minimisa won mawan some where you preaching a boy and some. That's serious idea was sorry dema the kwa baimu. Yes, serious idea. O my time the chance no more cause idea. One more man so no so time of chance and hang be yesa. Wake up! Meanwhile, yes, so no cross. I'm not sitting down until offering comes. When your boys and in number one things who preach it, not the chance yes you. Chairman. Who preach it will be shower fine will be shirawa. Come back. No go pebanchido. Quickly. Na fabe jine juma nechi. Sister, the days of depending on offerings left us long ago.